Welcome back, guys, to Xero with me again. I'm Trevonna Parker, and we are going on a journey of obtaining our Xero certification. So we're going to jump right back into it, right back to the screen where we were on, get back into our training. We are learning to add, edit, and delete. So add, edit, delete, or archive an account to adjust the chart of accounts. Add a new account to the chart of accounts or edit an existing one. This has one of 8 steps. So we're going to go to accounting, then we're going to go to advanced, select chart of accounts, and then add account. I'm going to click an existing account to edit it. And let me just go through and see if they tell us what they want from us. And I can be a few steps ahead. Select an account type to see how the account affects your reports. That'll be really neat. I think that's really neat how they have it in real time. What happens? So let's go to accounting, advanced, chart of accounts, and then finally says to edit or account type, add new accounts, and we are going to. I guess we should keep our eyes over here to see what happens. So let's see. Let's do current asset. Net adjust. I'm not noticing anything over there. Maybe that's something, because everything is already over there, so it's showing us exactly how things are. Let's see. Yeah, everything's already over there. So I guess I thought this would just update in real time, but everything seems to be already over there. So let me go back to our training. The code can be up to 10 characters long and must be unique. It can be a combination of numbers, letters, and other characters. Xero warns you if it's already in use. So a unique code for this account. Let me see. So if I were going to choose a current asset, I would choose something from the 100 series. That's available. Now I want to know, okay. So what I was looking for with that, just I know that generally there are the 100 series for your assets, 200 series for your liability, so on and so forth. So I wanted to know if Xero was actually going to allow me to play around and choose whatever numbers I wanted, or if it was going to keep me in those confines. Now I prefer the confines because I think it's easier to teach people that this is generally how it looks, but hey, it doesn't have to be that case. So that's what I was doing. Okay, a short name. Let me go back so I can read that. The name can be up to 150 characters long and must be unique. Use a name that briefly describes the account. The description should be information specific to the account's main use. Select or edit the default tax setting. You can change this rate on individual transactions. So I'm just going through and looking at the steps because there are so many steps. Expense, 410. Marketing, expense incurred for growing revenue. And then let's see, step 7 of 8. Select the check boxes to show the account on the dashboard. Select it in expense claims or enable payments or enable payments to it from non-bank accounts like owner's drawings. So we can choose all of those if we want. We chose an expense account. 14. Marketing July's paid. Click Save and add the account. Save changes. Okay, so we can delete or we can archive an account as well. So delete an account that's never been used and isn't required. Archive an account that has transactions posted to it. You can't use archived accounts for transactions such as invoices and expense claims. So deleting and archiving an account. So delete the account or archive. Select the account checkbox and click delete or archive. You can select multiple accounts to manage at the same time. If you're deleting, Xero automatically archives any accounts that contain transactions. All right, so if we're in the chart of accounts, we can go ahead and click on the accounts, and then we can archive or delete or archive. Now, and I'm glad they have this because I'm thinking, what if we want to restore? So if we restore, you can restore archived accounts at any time. So they're available to use in transactions. Select accounts on the Archive tab and then click Restore. So here we go. If we Archive tab, there we go. Oh, let's go ahead and archive some accounts before we, oh, there it goes up there, the Archive tab. Do you have any accounts? It looks like I don't have any accounts in the Archive tab, so let me go ahead and get myself some accounts on the Archive tab. I selected 2 accounts to be archived. Yes, I did. And now, when I click the Archive tab, I have accounts that I may want to. We just want to restore this checking account. And now I have the checking account restored. I have only one account that's archived. And when I go back to say all accounts, my checking account is there. So perfect. Are we finished? Yes. All right, Xero pro tip. Sometimes, perhaps at the end of a financial year, it's helpful to review the chart of accounts. Archive old accounts no longer in use and any duplicates to reduce the risk of data entry errors. That's a great tip. And we are going to move to our assessment. As you guys know, it is my custom to respect Xero and do my assessment in private. I hope you've been on this journey with me, and I think that you should take a time out to do your assessment as well. We can reconvene, Lord willing, in just a moment and give our results and keep moving forward. So thank you for coming along to Xero with me. I hope to see you in just a bit.